log 3 x plus 2 plus log 3 x minus 2 equals to log 3 2x minus 1. This is my question, and they are telling us to solve the log equation. It means whatever is the variable being used over here, I have to get its value, and the variable which is used over here is x. So I have to get the value of x. Now I can see in all the three terms which is given to me, I have got log written over there, log with base 3, log with base 3, log with base 3. So I don't have to make anything. I will just directly go with log base 3 this plus log base 3 this. So there is a plus sign. So it can be written as log base 3 x plus 2 into x minus 2. That's the first thing I can do because it is written in plus form. So I can write them in product form. That is the first thing I can do. I've applied log rule over here. After this, log 3 2x minus 1. Okay, right. Okay, now log the single multiple over here, log the single multiple over here. So both log will be removed. I will remove it. X plus 2 into x minus 2. That will become x square minus 2 square equals to 2x minus 1. X square minus 2x minus 4 plus 1 equals to 0. X square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. X square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals to 0. X taken common, x minus 3 plus 1 taken common, x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, when I will simplify it, the result will be coming x equals to minus 1 or x equals to 3. Now, the most important part in this one. Previously, we were just finding out the values. We were not putting it back in the equation. But now, you are going to put your equations over here. And you are going to identify that either it is going to apply or not. Like, see, first value is x equals to 3. So when I will plot the value of 3 over here, 3 plus 2 will be 5. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 3 2 is 6 minus 1, that will be 5. Every value is positive. So, okay, it is acceptable. Coming to minus 1. Minus 1 plotted over here, minus 1 plus 2, that will be 1. Positive. It's okay. Minus 1 minus 2, that will become minus 3. And log of negative is not possible. So even if in one term it is not coming possible, it means you will say that it is not acceptable. So the only value of x in this scenario which will be acceptable will be value of x. This is my new question. Okay. LG18, LG this, LG this, and equals to 0. Okay. So what I am going to do, see over here, LG18, these two are in plus form, and this one is in minus form. So this multiplied by 1 over 3x divided by x plus 1. Both all are having LG, LG, and LG, so I have solved it directly. Now the problem over here, it's written 0. So what should I do? I know that if LG any log is written with 1, my result will always be equals to 0. So this 0 can be written as LG1. If it would be ln over here, then I would have written ln1. Okay. After this, Lg and Lg will be removed. 3 ones are 3, 3 6. So I will have 6x over x plus 1 equals to 1. Shifting it over here, 6x equals to x plus 1. 6x minus x equals to 1. And when I will simplify this thing, the result will be x equals to 1 over 5. That is going to be my answer. Now, if I will put 1 over 5 over here, that will remain positive. If I will put 1 over 5 over here, that will also remain positive. So it means 1 over 5 is my correct answer right now. Now the next question which I am having, 2lg5 minus lgx plus 2, 2lg5 minus lgx plus 2 equals to 1 minus lg 2x minus 1. This is my new question, and again they are saying that I have to simplify it to get the value of x, right? In this term, Lg is there. In this term, Lg is there. In this term, there is no Lg. In this term, Lg is there. Okay, so out of 4, 3 terms have got Lg. 1 is missing Lg, so I have to bring log over there also. How will I bring it? First of all, this 2 is written before log. I will shift it. Lg5 squared minus Lgx plus 2. Now this is written 1, and we are using Lg. Lg has base 10. So how can I write it? I can write it as Lg10. Lg got base 10. We all know that thing. And base and multiple are same, then log will give the result of 1. So I have written it as Lg10 minus Lg 2x minus 1. Okay. After this, now these two are in division subtraction form. These two are also in subtraction form. So what will I do? I will write it Lg 5 square will become 25 over x plus 2, and this will become Lg 10 over 2x minus 1. Right? Now on both sides I have got single term with Lg on both sides. So I will remove Lg, and this thing will be written as 25 over x plus 2 equals to 10 over 2x minus 1. Simplifying it, shifting this over here, it will become, okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. I have done this cancellation. Now 2x multiplied by this will become 10x minus 5 equals to 2x plus 4. Right? 2x shifted over here. 10x minus 2x equals to 9. This will become 8x equals to 9. X equals to 9 over 8, which means x equals to one whole number 1 over 8, and that will be your final answer in this question. Okay, my next question is 3 log x multiple base is given as x, 2 plus log x 18. 3 log base x multiple 2 plus log base x 18 equals to 2. So what will I do? First of all, this 3 will be shifted on log 2. So this will become 8 plus log x 18 equals to, this is log x, but there is no log over here, so I will write it like this. Base and multiple same. Result will be 1 if I will apply log, and 1 multiplied by 2 will be equal to this thing. This I have got. After this, these two are written in plus form. Log x 8 into 18 equals to 2 will be shifted. Log x, this will become x square. Okay, single log on both sides, single terms are there on both sides. So what I am going to do, I am going to remove these ones, and 8 into 18 will become 144 equals to x square, and I will take the root, x will be coming 12. Okay, x will be coming 12. I will not take minus 12 because then my base will become negative. That is also not possible. So we will not take minus over here. 144 x square, x will be coming equals to 12. Okay. Now the question is solve following equations. Solve following equations. These are my questions. And the first one is, which I am going to do over here, is log 3x, log base 3x equals to 9 log base x3. Okay. So right now I have got a question in which two different log bases are given. One is 3 and one is x. So either I have to shift x as 3 or I have to shift 3 as x. So what I am going to do, I can see over here there is base 3 multiple x, over here base is x multiple is 3. So what I can do over here, log 3x equals to 9. I am shifting base and multiple position. I am exchanging base and multiple. So when I will exchange it, it will become log base 3x into 9. Okay, into 9 will be there. So this is what I have got right now. After this, what I am going to do over here is I can shift it log 3x. When I will shift this thing over here, it will become whole square equals to 9. Not only square on x, it will be whole square because this thing is shifting over here and it is getting multiplied. So I have written it in this way. After that, taking root on both sides, when I will take root, my answer will be coming plus minus 3. My answer will be coming plus minus 3. When I will further simplify it, so how will I take it? First of all, log base 3x equals to 3, or log base 3 x equals to multiple minus 3. Now you can shift it according to index form also, by change of index form also, or we can do it by bringing log base 3 multiple on both sides. I am solving this thing with index form rule. How will I solve it? Your base will be written as a power. Whatever is your answer will be written as power of your index, whatever is your number, and x will be written like this. Index to log form I am working over here. 3 power minus 3 equals to x. 3 cube is 27, and this will become 1 over 27 equals to x, and that's your final answer. Log base 2 multiple x equals to log base 4 x plus 6. This is my new question. Okay, log base 2 multiple x, log base 4 multiple x plus 6. Now in this one, even if I will exchange the base and multiple, it will not become same. So I am going to introduce my chain base rule in which I can bring a new base over here. How will I bring it? First of all, log base 2x. This I have written it as it is. I haven't done any changes. I am just writing it in this way. Next one, log 2x plus 6 over log 2 4. On this one, I have applied chain base rule in which I can bring a base according to my need. So what I have done, the multiple will become numerator, the base will become denominator, and a new base I have introduced which is according to this one. Right? After this, log 2x equals to log 2x plus 6, and this will become log 2 square. Right? Log 2x equals to log 2x plus 6. This 2 which is written on a power, it will be written before log. Log base 2 multiple 2. Okay? After this, now this one, log base 2 multiple x. This one, log base 2 multiple x plus 6. And this thing, 2 will remain 2, but log base 2 multiple 2 will become 1. So I will be having 2 into 1. Next thing, I can shift this 2 on this side. 2 log base 2x equals to log 2x plus 6. 2 will be shifted before, 2 is written before log. I can shift it over here. It will become log 2 x square log 2 x plus 6. Now, one term with log base 2, one bracket with log base 2, so I can remove it. X square equals to x plus 6, which will become x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0. Okay? After this, when I will simplify it, so x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Middle term breaking, xx minus 3 plus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Simplified it, x will be coming 3 or x will be coming minus 2. Now, which one is applicable? So when I will take it and I will bring it over here, if I will plot 3 over here, 3 over here, that is applicable because both will be coming in positive. But if I will bring minus 2 over here, this will be positive, but this will be a negative multiple, and log of negative multiple is not possible. So this is my final answer. Okay? Now this is my new question. Log base multiple 5, log base 5 multiple 5 minus 4x equals to log under root 5 2 minus x. Again, two different bases. Log base 5, log base under root 5. Right? So the easier one will be that if I take this one over here, okay, because it will be easier to handle any number base other than any square root base. Okay, otherwise it's your choice however you want to solve it. What I am doing, log 5 minus 4x equals to log multiple will be written as a numerator, base will be written as a denominator, and a new base I can introduce in the base which I am introducing over here, 5 and 5. Okay, it can be any base. You can bring this thing as a base, you can bring this thing as a base, you can bring this thing as a base. What is your requirement? Okay, my requirement was base 5, so I have made base 5 to make it easier. After this, log 5 minus 4x equals to log base 5 2 minus x over log base 5 to the power half. This half is written as a power of multiple. So 5 minus 4x log base 5 2 minus x over half log base 5. Right? Next, log base 5 minus 4x equals to log 5 2 minus x. Half will be written as it is, and log 5 into 5 will become 1. Log base 5 minus 4x equals to, now this thing, log base 5 minus x is divided by 1 over 2. So when I will simplify it, this 2 will be shifted over here. This 2, which is written in the denominator of another fraction, when I will shift it, it will be written like this. Next thing, log base 5 minus 4x equals to log base 5 2 minus x. This 2 was written before log, now it is written as power. Log base 5, single multiple on both sides. Log base 5 will be cancelled. 5 minus 4x equals to 2 minus x squared. 5 minus 4x equals to 2 squared will be 4 minus 4x plus x squared. Minus 4x will be cancelled. 5 minus 4 equals to x squared. X squared equals to 1. X equals to either 1 or x equals to minus 1. Let's plot it over here. If I will plot over here 1, it will be positive. Result will be positive. If I will apply minus 1, the result will remain positive. Minus 1. If I will put plus 1 over here, it will be positive. If I will put minus 1 over here, it will remain positive. It means both of my answers are acceptable in this scenario. Now, in this question, they are saying, the new question, they are saying that we have to solve it by using substitution. By using substitution, y equals to log 3x. This is the substitution given to me, and they are telling me to solve some equations. One of the equation is log 3x whole cube equals to log 3x. This is whole cube and this is only on x. The first one is log base 3x cube equals to log base 3x whole cube. These are the two different things which is given to me, and they are telling me to solve it to get the result of variable which is given over here, that is x and that is x. Now, in this one, it's the whole power. So I will not shift it before log. I will not do that. Okay, because it is whole power. Over here, x power is only on x. Okay, so over here, I am going to solve it and I am going to get my result. Over here, I will not solve it. Over here, I will keep it in this way. Over here, I will transfer it and write it before log, right? So Now what will I do? This 3 will be shifted before log. 3 log 3x equals to log 3x whole cube. Okay. After this, they have told me that log 3x will be equals to y. So this will become 3y equals to y cube. Right? Next, 3 equals to y cube over y, which means it will become 3y squared. Okay, taking root on both sides, my result will be y equals to plus minus under root 3. Right? Now, what was y? Y was log base 3x. So I am writing it over here. Log 3x equals to under root 3 or log 3x equals to minus under root 3. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to get this thing. I have to check it again. So log 3x equals to 3 to the power half. Right? 3 to the power half will be there. And if I am talking about this one, this will become log 3x equals to minus 3 to the power half. But minus will be written outside, not inside the bracket. Okay, I have written minus outside the bracket, not inside. Now this is log 3x. Okay, over here you can change it into index form, or you can bring another log over here. Okay, so this will be written as log 3x equals to 3 to the power half, or you can write it as under root 3 also if you want to. Under root 3 log, because this is multiplied by 1, so I can write it in this way. Then this is written before log, I will transfer it over here. Log 3x equals to log 3 under root 3. Log 3 and log 3 will be cancelled. X will be coming 3 to the power under root 3, and you can use your calculator to get the answer of this one. When I will simplify this part, this will also become x equals to 3 to the power minus under root 3. You can use your calculator and you can get your answers from your calculator. Now, this is my new question, and in this question, again they are telling us that we have to get our result, we have to solve it. Now, the main problem in this question is that bases of logs are not same. This is log with base 3, but this is with log base with x. So I have to work on this thing now. So how will I work it? Over here I am not doing anything. Over here no log is applied. So I will write it as 2 log base 3 multiple 3 equals to, now this one. What will I do over here? I have told you a formula that if I write it in reciprocal form, multiple will become base and base will become multiple. So I will apply that formula. 3 is before log, it will remain as it is. Only this thing will be changed. I will write my log in denominator, and when I will write it denominator by myself, my multiple will become my base and my base will become my multiple. Okay? After this, log 3x, that is equals to y. 2 is shifted over here, that will become log. Okay, I'm not applying log this over here, I'm just keeping it in this way. Maybe I will not need it because I'm going to remove. So I'm not applying log over here. 3 will remain like this, and this will be written as y. Okay, After this y will be shifted over here. Y square plus 2y equals to 3. Y square plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. Okay? Y square plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. After this, I am doing middle term breaking. Y square plus 3y minus 2y, minus y equals to 0. I have done middle term breaking of that one. Y plus 3 minus 1, y plus 3 equals to 0. Y minus 1 is equals to 0 or y plus 3 equals to 0. Okay? Y equals to 1 or y equals to minus 3. Putting it over here, log 3x equals to 1 or log 3x equals to minus 3. Right? After this, log 3x equals to log 3 to the power 3. In place of 1, I have written it in this way. And for this one, log 3x equals to minus 3 log 3 and 3. This log and log will be cancelled. This will become x equals to 3. And when I will simplify this one, log 3x equals to 3 shifted to the power log base 3 multiple 3 with power minus 3. Again, these two will be cancelled and final answer will be x equals to minus 1 over 27. These are the two answers of this question. Right? That's it. Thank you, class. They are giving us that we have to find now. They are saying solve equations simultaneously. Now they have introduced simultaneous equation in this one that we have to solve it and we have to get our answers by using simultaneous method. It means it can be substitution or it can be elimination. Any method can be there. Okay. The question is ln 3x minus y equals to 2 ln 6 minus ln 9. Okay. And the next thing which they are giving me is that e x whole square over e power y equals to e. These are the two things given to me. ln bracket 3x minus y bracket close equals to 2 ln 6 minus ln 9. Okay. And the next thing which they are giving me, e to the power x whole square upon e to the power y equals to e, and this we have to solve to get our result over here. Okay, first of all, I'm simplifying this one. Okay, this will be written as e to the power and power will be multiplied 2x over e to the power y equals to e. Now, these two are being divided. I will use indices. E2x minus y equals to e to the power 1. Bases are same, so power will be also same. 2x minus y equals to 1, and that will be my first equation to solve simultaneously. Now, for my second equation, which is over here, what will I do? ln 3x minus y, 2 will be shifted over here, so it will become ln 2 shifted over here, 36 minus ln 9. 2 2 I have shifted over here. This will become 6 square. 6 square will be 36. ln 3x minus y equals to ln 36 over 9. Okay. These two are in subtraction form, so I have shifted them. I have removed ln from here, and it will be written in division form. ln 3x minus y equals to ln 4. Now ln and ln will be removed. 3x minus y equals to 4. These are the two equations which I have to solve simultaneously. Now, solving these two equations simultaneously, which I have got over here and over here, how will I solve it? This is 3x minus y equals to 4, and this is 2x minus y equals to 1. Changing sign, minus, plus, minus. This will be cancelled. 3x minus 2x will be x. 4 minus 1 will be equals to 3. This is my value of x coming. When I will plot it over here, that will become 3 to the 6. Okay, this will become 3 to the 6, and 6 minus 1. The value of y is coming 5 over here. So this is how I'm going to solve my question, which is given over here. The value of x is coming 3 and the value of y is coming 5.